Frankie.
Who's going first?
I will. Or not. Go ahead on.
You said you can touch him, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, right out. Oh, you better hurry. You gotta be with his family.
Yay, can you see him or is he gone?
He's gone.
All right, who's next?
Oh, he's not moving.
He's scared out of his mind.
Put him right here.
Oh my gosh, how funny.
He's scared out of his mind.
No. I want to get a face mask. I want to touch him. I want to touch him.
Hey, stop fighting.
Can we keep one?
No. Are you going to do it, Soy? Or are you going to wait for your spot? Oh, there he goes. Woo, he went far. All right, move out of the way. Let Sawyer go over there.
Move.
Is he like touch right out of it?
Feels weird.
Ooh, she's so brave.
Hi, Izzy. Izzy's more of a brownish
You're
color.
going to get eaten if you don't hide, Izzy.
Oh,
There she goes.
I still see her.
Let me look at you. Say success.
success!
Woo! Gross, Sawyer.
Ew, dragonfly.